Hi, today I'm going to show you this PALONU girls craft kit. You're going to see this cute little box that says best wishes on it with a mermaid, I think. Then when you open this, you're going to see these 3 bags with beads and the bags with the bracelet strings and the necklace ones. Here is the more colorful beads for a charm bracelet, and here are the little figures you can use for bracelets, and here are the charms that there's different varieties of. There's a little clock here, a little pot that says love on it. Here's the thing that says I love you. Here's a crown. There's an umbrella here. And this is an angel right there. I made one out of beads and such, a little thing that says hope, and then little beads. It's an attachable and detachable thing, so you can take this off. Here's the bracelet off with the little beads that have different shapes and the little charm that says hope. You can see put a bunch of different things on it. It's kind of random. This is a little detachable bracelet where you can put the thing on here like that. And then this comes off pretty easy. This has a little screw on the ends, then you can add your beads like that. And it comes off, and then you add your beads on the thing. The necklace. Here's a little necklace with a few beads on it. Here's beads up close. Here are some charms from the little bag that you can see through. This cute one with a little star. Here's one that says love. That's kind of like the one that says hope I have on the bracelet. The seashell. A little carriage. A rocking horse. And here's a mermaid tail. These are really cute charms, and I recommend getting this kit if you want some pretty neat bracelets and necklaces. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Bye!
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.